Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to make curly doll hair. Step 1, grab your wool. You can just tie a knot onto your pencil. If that's easiest, you can do a magic slip knot. You can do whatever you'd like, whichever really pleases you. I'm doing a magic slip knot. Put that in there. Oh, I'm supposed to pull it tight, but I let go. And then, when you snip your wool off, or cut it off, put your finger on the pencil, wrap the wool around it, like that, and you'll see there's just a looser one there. Put the leftover bit of your wool in the looser bit and pull tightly. You can watch that bit again. That will just create a bit of a knot so it will stay on there. Now to the next process. So now we've got our tray with water in it and soaking our pencil. I've just soaked my pencil there and just washed in the water for about 5 minutes. You can even just do it for like a minute or so just doing this. The water will soak into the wool and make it it makes it a bit puffier, the wool. Now we will heat up our oven to 80 degrees fan force, and we'll pour out some of the water and we'll put it in there for about 20 minutes. I only want the most tiniest amount of water in there when it goes in the oven. It will help. Now it's time to unravel the hair. So I'll choose this one first so I can smooth it out good. So you just slowly unpick it. But if you can see, you see the spring in that? That's the curls that you're getting out of this. This one's a really good one, I'm proud of this one. And you just keep unraveling it till your pencil's done. Don't pull it too tight because it can make bigger curls, like you know how it can uncurl a little bit? Yep. Undo all of your pencils. Now the hair isn't sewed on yet, I'm just placing it where I want it to be. But this is basically just a curly, messy hair on her. I think it looks quite cute. Look, you're going to give it a trim. But thanks for watching, and hope you learned how to make some really nice curly hair. Enjoy the rest of your day.